Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we're going to walk you through how to invite a driver inside of Carrier TMS. To begin, start by logging into your Carrier TMS account. Once you've logged into your account, click on the Drivers tab. From there, click on Invite Driver. You will see a pop-up window on the right-hand side. From there, enter the driver's information. The driver will receive an SMS message with a link to sign up. They will just need to enter their full name and then their preferred password. Once they've set that up, they'll be good to log into the driver app. Once the driver signs up, their information will appear on your screen. And that's it. You have now successfully invited a driver inside of Carrier TMS. If you have any additional questions, you can always feel free to reach out to the support team at support@superdispatch.com or by simply clicking on the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen to start a conversation with us. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.